VAT for Dummies, Digital Services. This is a tutorial presented by taxmen.eu, the one-stop shop providing VAT services in the EU, and by MyFolio, the software that helps you produce and organize your invoices. VAT is a consumption tax on most supplies of services in the European Union. Each EU state determines its own applicable VAT rates and invoicing rules. It is important for all exporters to know when, where and how VAT does apply. When, where, how. Where does VAT apply on a B2C supply of digital services within the EU? From the 1st of January 2015, VAT applies in the EU state where the customer is based. That is, the state where the end consumer is registered, has his permanent address, or lives. The reform applies to the supplies of telecommunication, broadcasting and electronic services. But do European digital service providers need to register for VAT in other states? No. They can use a European one-stop shop solution, the MOS, for a one-time registration. Digital operators will also use the MOS to file their periodical VAT returns. Example: a Polish customer downloads an app from a UK provider. The provider shall charge Polish VAT, MOS available. Second example: a UK provider sells a downloadable antivirus program to an end user in Australia. No VAT. But if the program is effectively used in another EU state, the latter can apply VAT. Hence, it is always important to check national VAT regulations with a qualified advisor. This tutorial is a short overview of the EU distance selling scheme. It is non-exhaustive. It is offered to you by taxmen.eu, the one-stop shop provider of VAT services in the EU, and by MyFolio, the software that helps you produce and organize your invoices.